Hello, greetings to all. I am Charles, Assistant Professor of English, Bishopper College, Trichy. I am going to discuss about the wonderful poem, The Lake Ale of Innisfree, which is written by William Butler Yeats. William Butler Yeats was born in the year 13th June 1865. He was an Irish poet, dramatist, prose writer, and one of the foremost figures of 20th century literature. He received the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1923. He was died in the year 1939. The Lake Ale of Innisfree is also actual place in a lake in County Sligo in northwestern Ireland. The Lake Ale of Innisfree is a 12-line poem comprising 3 quatrains. Now let's move on and read the poem. I will arise and go now and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and bottles made. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honey bee, and live alone in the bee loud glade. And I shall have some peace there, for peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the veils of the morning to where the cricket sings. There midnights all a glimmer, and noon a purple glow, and evening full of the linnet's wings. I will arise and go now, for always night and day I hear lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore, while I stand on the roadway or on the pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep heart's core. Let's analyze the poem. This well-known poem explores the poet's longing for the peace and tranquility of Innisfree. The poem starts with the introduction of a place named Innisfree. It is a place where the poet had spent a lot of time when he was a boy. He wants to go back to that place as he finds it to be peaceful and full of nature's beauty. He wants to build a small cabin with clay and bottles. He would grow beans and get a honey bee hive for honey to survive on. The poet describes the peaceful, natural surroundings of the lake. He describes how he would feel peaceful in the morning time when it's cloudy and the view is not very clear. Then it will appear as if the morning has worn a veil and has hidden itself. The poet said that he will have some peace in the island. The peace will come slowly in the morning when the cricket sings. The twinkling in the sky at midnight will give him immense pleasure. The purple glow of sunlight in the noon will make him happy, and during the evening he will enjoy the linnet birds flying in the sky. The poet wants to go to Innisfree because he always hears the low sounds of lake water hitting the shore. Whenever he stands on the roadway or walks on the footpath, he hears the sounds in heart's core that gives him pleasure. Let's see moral values of this wonderful poem. We must appreciate nature as it has many benefits to offer us. We must learn to be close to nature and enjoy its beauty. We should be proud of the natural heritage and preserve nature. Thank you all.